Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am again in front of you with the lecture of class 10. In the lecture of class 10, today I will do the second theorem that is based on the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles. Okay, this next exercise is based on this ratios of areas of two similar triangles. So first of all I will do the theorem. What is that theorem? Theorem says that the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of square of their corresponding side. Okay, I will show that it is given that there are two similar triangles. You have to take two similar triangles. Let us suppose what first is ABC, ABC, and second one is PQR. Right? These are P, Q, and R. Okay, so this is given कि both triangles are similar. So I will write it as, first of all in the theorem I will write given. Given is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. It is given to you, right? To prove, you have to prove the ratios of areas. Area of ABC divided by area of PQR. This is the ratio of the areas is equals to the ratio of the square of corresponding side. That means AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR. Right? So this is the value which you have to prove. Okay, for this I will do the construction. To make it simple, I will do the construction. What is that construction? Construction is I will draw the perpendicular. This is 90 and I will draw the perpendicular. This is 90. From these two, name it as D and this is N, P. Okay. So I will take the perpendicular, draw perpendicular, draw AD perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. Right? Proof. Proof. I will start from the areas. You all know what is the formula of area of triangle? That is half base into altitude. So I will start from area of ABC upon area of PQR. I will take it as ABC and PQR, that is a triangle. You can write it as a triangle also. That is the same meaning. There is no confusion. There should not be any confusion. So they are right triangles. Half base, that is BC, and AD, that is perpendicular. Half base is QR and perpendicular is PN. Right? This half and half will cancel. BC upon QR into AD upon PN. Now my next target is I will equate these two terms equals to the single term so that I will take the square of that one and I will prove this term. Okay, so for this I will name it as equation number 1. Okay, now in triangle, because I will write because triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, that means AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR. Right? So these are the three values, these are the three proportionalities by taking the similarity. Okay, so name it as equation number 2. Now I will concentrate on in triangle ADB and triangle ADB P and Q. Angle B equals to angle Q because triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Right? This is the first angle. Second is I will name it as angle 2 or angle 1 or angle 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2 because each 90 degree. By angle triangle implies if two triangles are similar, so their sides are in same proportions. So I will write AD AB upon PQ is equals to AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon AD. Okay, AD upon PM. Okay, this AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. So I will take it as free equation, right? Now from 1, 2 and 3, I will rub from this side. See this equation 1, BC upon QR. BC upon QR is equals to AB upon PQ, right? This I will replace BC upon QR by A by B here. And this is AD upon PM, that is again equals to AB upon PQ. So I will replace AD upon PQ by AB upon PQ. I will replace this AD upon PM by this, so that the both values are in the same proportions. So I will rub from this side, so that I have rubbed, and from equation 1, I will write from equation 1, from equation 1. From equation 1, I will change 1, 2 and 3. I will change here. I will write again. I will write again, and I will rub from this side. From equation 1, 2 and 3. I will write BC upon QR is equals to AB upon PQ. And the second one is AD upon PM is also equals to AB upon PQ. This implies AB upon PQ whole square. Right? So this is similarly, I will replace these two. Similarly, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB upon PQ. BC upon QR and AC upon PR. Hence proved. Okay, so this is the way to solve the question, solve the theorem. Only one concept is used here, that is the half base into altitude, and after that we will concentrate only to change that values, to change that two values into the same one. And after taking same, I have taken the similarity by taking the help of similarity, I have proved that two values, base and altitude, will change by this two, and I will take the square of this one. And similarly we will prove the theorem. Very simple theorem, and it is compulsory that in a board exam there is one theorem of 4 marks comes in a board exam. Okay, so you should be very perfect in doing these type of theorems. Okay, now come to the exercise. Come to the question number first of 6.4 exercise, that is based on the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles. How I will solve it? First of all, these two triangles are similar, that means their areas ratios are equals to the square of their sides. So I will write it as is equals to 64, that is here. I will take it as areas are this and this, we will take it as BC upon EF whole square. I will take the square separately like this. Now this is the values which is given us, that is 64 centimeter square, and it is equals to 121 centimeter square. And BC whole square is not given, we need to find BC whole square, BC. Okay, and EF is 15.4 whole square. This and this will cancel. I will take this on the right hand side. EBC square is equals to 64 upon 121 into 15.4 whole square. When your square is converted into roots, when take it here, you can take the values here. BC is equals to 8 8s are 64 and this is 15.4 into 15.4 and this is 11 into 11. So I will take the under root, I will take out all the terms from the under root 8 into 15.4 upon 11. You can take decimal in the denominator and you can cancel this. 11 1 is 11 and 14, this is 112 upon 10, that is 11.2 centimeter. So this is the way, very simple way of doing this question number first. Now come to the question number second. To the question number second, that is very simple. First of all, you will make a trapezium in which AB parallels to CD intersect each other at O. So I will make the trapezium in which AB and CD, this is A, B, CD are parallel and they intersect at O. Okay, you have to, if AB is 2 times of CD, the given is AB is 2 times of CD. It is given. Okay, find the ratios of areas of triangle ABC. So we need to find, that is area of AOB, triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD. We need to find this one. Okay, for solution, how we will take it as a solution? In triangle, first of all, for finding the ratio, first of all I will prove if the question, in the question it is given that these two triangles are similar, so no need to find that values. But here not that this is not given that these two triangles are similar. For taking the ratios of their side, you will take the, first of all you will you will do the similarity between these two. So how we will find that similarity? AOB and in triangle AOB and COD. In triangle AOB and COD. These are the two triangles, this and this, alternate interior angle, angle 1 or angle 2. Angle 3 or angle 4, you can take it as a vertically opposite angle also. Okay, so this is angle 1, AOB, angle 2 is equals to angle 1. This is because alternate interior angles. Okay, second, angle 4, angle 3 is equals to angle 4 because vertically opposite angles. By angle similarity, angle, triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. Now this areas, ratios, for taking the areas of ratios of that areas is very simple. I will take area of AOB, that is triangle AOB, upon area of triangle COD is equals to AB upon CD whole square. Right? And it is given that AB is 2 times of CD. So I will replace AB by 2 times of CD. Right? Like this. So this is area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is equals to 2 2s are 4 CD whole square, in the denominator CD whole square. This and this will cancel, the value is 4:1. So this is the ratios of taking the two areas of these two triangles. This is the way to solve this question. First of all you have to do the similarity and after that you will take direct areas is equals to the sides, the ratio of their sides. Okay, so do these questions in your notebook and I will meet you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.